In this tutorial, I will be exploring this question: how do you make money on internet? This guide walks you through some practical methods and income generating side hustle options to help you earn money online. So if you're interested in learning some easy to follow suggestions to create an additional source of income with online side hustles, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video, as this tells me you like the content, and I will then create more content for you. Thank you, let's go. Method number 1, look for freelance work opportunities. Freelancing is a form of self-employment in which individuals lend their skills to a number of clients on a flexible basis. A freelancer often works on a contract to contract agreement, saving companies money as they don't need to employ staff full time. The work of a freelancer depends on their field, but many different skills and industries use freelancers regularly. Use freelancing platforms. There are lots of online platforms dedicated to connecting freelancers with clients to make it easier to collaborate. Many of them require you to set up an online profile and write a bio, so it's useful to save a short bio that you can copy and paste into your profile on these platforms. Aside from using these portals to find work, you may also have the opportunity to undertake short courses or attend webinars. To find work as a freelancer, you could also network with other freelancers working in similar fields to you who could pass work on to you if they're too busy. Use professional websites and social networks. Regular job websites and social networks post freelance work opportunities on their job boards, so be sure to include them in your search. Your local chamber of commerce is also a good place to meet fellow local business owners and build a professional network, since you'll potentially be working on your own. Talk to friends and former co-workers. Word of mouth is still a very good way of finding new clients. Your friends and former colleagues may require your services themselves, or they can recommend you to people you don't even know yet but who could become future clients. Promote your work locally. Local advertising in shop windows, newspapers and newsletters is also a useful organic approach to finding clients as a freelancer. Depending on the type of service you offer, you could find local volunteer work in a related area, which could lead to paid work in the future. Make sure to have a business card or leaflet ready so you can give people your details. Even if they don't need your services right now, they might know someone who does. Approach companies. Go straight to the source and speak with companies to offer them your services as a freelancer. Make sure you have your CV to hand and prepare a short elevator pitch in advance. These actions are a great way of helping you feel more prepared and confident when speaking with potential future clients. Prepare for a lifestyle change. The transition into finding work as a freelancer can be quite complicated, as there are different responsibilities and roles to undertake that might most likely be new to you. Try to consider the different variables and understand what your life as a freelancer might look like before making the decision, and consider things like: what hours can you work, what workspace are you going to use, are there any outside commitments that you need to consider that might impact your work, how much do you plan on charging for your services, and what's your business plan. You might not have definitive answers to these questions yet, but you can keep them in mind as you transition into life as a freelancer. Your family commitments, financial needs and living arrangements are some of the biggest things to consider here. Remember that you may be foregoing a regular dependable salary for a working arrangement that can be more flexible in terms of money coming in and going out. Think about what impact this may have on your current situation. Make a work schedule. As a freelancer, you may be responsible for all areas of your work, from accounts to taxes to customer service, so it's important that you make a schedule to get everything done. This can be a drastic change from regular salaried work, so try to keep things as simple as possible from the start. Use a business plan as a guide to creating goals such as weekly, monthly or quarterly earnings to help keep your work on track. Target work as an excellent metric to track your progress and ensure you're staying on top of your workload. It can be easy to fall out of a routine as a freelancer, as there's usually no requirement to log in or on time or dress formally, so try to remain consistent. You need to establish how much you're going to charge for your work as a freelancer. There are a few ways to approach this, such as hourly rates or flat fees on a per project basis. What you choose depends on how you work, what type of work you do and how much time you put into a project. Create and maintain a portfolio of work. To find work as a freelancer, you'll need to showcase your work to clients so they can decide if they need your services. Some useful websites available online can help you design a website for your portfolio, or you could stick to traditional physical portfolios. Either way, you might want to create a captivating portfolio to draw in new clients. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer, and there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Be sure to check out Upwork. They are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelance jobs. You'll see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialties. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork, and it's free to join. Method number 2. Build and develop websites for clients and companies. Today, every business needs a website. There is a huge market for web designers, and these days you don't even need to know how to code in order to build a site. Using a service like MailChimp, you can easily build a website that looks sleek and professional. If you're building a website from scratch, you can even buy a domain through MailChimp that aligns with a particular topic or business. Learn about the client and their website goals. Before taking on a project, gather information about your client and their website goals. Such knowledge helps you understand how your service can fit into the project. To learn about the project, ask various questions based on the details you seek, including what are your business goals, what are your brand identity, values and voice, how are you going to use the website, what features do you want, are there any special requirements. If you're already thinking about building amazing websites for clients, coming up with a specific niche is a great way to start. A niche is a specialty that you choose to focus on out of a large market. Niching down is a strategic way to win a certain group of clients. It gives you a better advantage over your competitors who are targeting the bigger market. Finding a niche might be quite hard for a beginner though with little experience. You'll be able to make an informed decision. Choosing a niche means creating websites for a specific sector like health, restaurants, online schools and agencies. Having chosen a niche, you need to know how to find clients. Sometimes clients will reach out to you for your web design services. However, you need to put in extra effort to look for clients by yourself. You can reach potential clients through word of mouth, though you won't have to talk to everyone you meet. Nevertheless, an appropriate way to reach clients is through the following outreach strategies: Google Ads, social media ads on Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter, and your platforms like a personal website, and freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr.com. Understanding client needs. Every client you need comes with his or her own website needs. You must understand your client's goals before you start the web design process. Know exactly what the client wants to achieve and advise them appropriately. Besides understanding your client's needs, you need to do an interview session with your client. You may meet a client who doesn't know what they want. Always ensure to ask your clients a few questions that could give you insights into what they want to achieve. Here are a few questions to ask your prospective clients. What does your business do? What is your ideal target market? What makes you unique from your competitors? How do you currently get new customers and clients? What is the desired action you would like your website visitor to take? When do you expect the project to be completed? And is there anything else you would love me to know about? Now that you have gathered some information from interviewing the client, set the objectives and expectations. For example, for an e-commerce website, your client's objectives could be to increase sales, to collect customer reviews on goods or services, and to reach out to new clients. Write down what your client wants to achieve. Tell the clients what they should expect. For example, how long will it take you to build the website? Find target audience. A target audience is a group of customers who are most likely to purchase certain goods or services. These are your client's potential customers. The target audience could be people located in a particular area, people of the same age and gender. For instance, if your client wants a kids online store, the target audience could be parents with kids. A target audience analysis involves researching demographic information which includes age, race, gender and education. This data will help you make informed decisions regarding your target audience. Choosing a platform for building websites depends on several factors which include your technical skills, the website features features and mainly the purpose of the website. Determine your technical skills. Firstly, determine your technical knowledge. If you know how to code, you can write code for the entire website. However, using low-code tools, often referred to as content management systems (CMS), is a better and quicker option. You won't have to write long lines of code, but instead work with already designed templates. If you're building an online store, you will need a platform that offers payment and shipping options. On the other hand, if you're building a blog website, you need a platform that offers easy content creation and customization options. Consider your budget when choosing a platform for building websites. Some platforms such as WordPress and Joomla are free, while others like Wix and Squarespace require you to pay a subscription fee. I would recommend using WordPress or Shopify. Method number 3. Be a virtual tutor and teach online. Tutors are always in demand. Whether you are a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help learners improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just keep in mind that you should have the teaching experience and a subject-specific certification. This will help create credibility for both parents and students. Do some research so you will understand your audience. From your skills, pick topics that you feel confident teaching. Having specialization certification or an advanced degree will give you an additional advantage. There are a lot of teaching methods you can implement when you are a virtual tutor. You can use interactive activities, slides, storytelling, and even gamify your course lessons. Being a virtual tutor is one effective way to make money online. Be proactive and strictly plan your online training. It's all about strategy and dynamics. Mind your audience and create appropriate modules. In addition, plan all of your activities and divide the content into smaller pieces of information. A specific online environment can provide flexibility. It is a good practice to set rules so as to avoid distractions. Create your own pace of teaching and always be there for your students at a specified time and place. Online tutoring is a two-way process, so make sure that communication flows easily and pay attention to the different educational needs of all of your students. The virtual classroom has different types of assessments. Whether you prefer homework or team projects, invest some time into creating strategies that track student progress. This info can be both satisfying as well as motivating for you and your students. It's your responsibility to create a safe environment for your online training. Follow the good manners rule. In addition, clearly communicate what is expected from the students and from you as an online tutor. When teaching a subject, it is natural that students will expect to gain certain knowledge. To get them thinking, try to ask questions in different ways. Let them wonder why their expected answer may not be correct. By challenging conventions, you'll get a more active and motivated virtual classroom. Method number 4. Develop an app. By developing an app, you can help put a brand right on the home screen of its audience's mobile devices. This way they can enjoy gamification, dedicated communities, and interactive content. App developers are in demand, so developing your own app or working for a company in need can be a great way to earn extra income. Apps make money in the following ways: in-app purchases, in-app advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Unless you're selling a product or service or subscription, then you'll likely be relying on some form of ads or affiliate programs to make money with your app. Even if your app is free and you're not charging users to download it, you can still make money using these methods. Consumers clearly love to use apps, so the opportunity is there. The key is finding out how to use the perfect app that will pique user interest and ultimately get downloads. But you need to realize that downloads alone don't always directly translate to dollars. Building an app is expensive and you'll come across hidden development costs along the way. So before you put all your money into your new app idea, you've got to make sure it will generate a profit. Method number 5. Create a well-monetized blog. Blogs are a common money-making tool because they're easy to create and offer many routes for monetization. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you can create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Or maybe you've got a blog that specializes in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to that topic like guides, templates, ebooks, and more to people that visit your blog. If you don't have your own items to sell, you could become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's goods on your site. Whenever someone clicks on the link, you receive a commission from the sponsoring company. There are plenty of affiliate networks that have an extensive list of companies for you to join and become an affiliate marketer with. Another way to make money with your blog is to put Google AdSense ads on it. Every time someone clicks the ad, you make money. It can be a great way to earn passive income. Method number 6. Become an online translator. Another way to make money online is through translating. Do you speak a second language? If so, you might be surprised at just how much money someone might pay you for your services. Today we live in a world that is more global than ever before. If you're able to speak a second language, you'll be immediately become more marketable just about everywhere. There are different types of translation projects you can work on. For example, you may want to serve as a remote translator in a conversation. If a doctor is having a difficult time communicating information to a patient, they might decide to hire a translator to help facilitate the conversation. You will listen to what one person says, translate it for the other person, and make sure they understand what you have said. Then you can translate the information back for the doctor. This is one option available, and you might be able to create your own schedule, or you might be able to find a job translating documents to make money online. For example, if someone needs to submit a document to the court in another language, they might hire a translator to help them do so. Depending on the type of translation you want to do, you may have to take different exams or earn certain certifications. It's up to you to decide how much money you want to make as a translator. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to advance your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.